Hey everyone, and welcome back to Spider-Man Miles Morales. Today we're going to do the silence samples for a bonus episode, and let's go.
Your dad and I fell asleep listening to this sound every night when we were kids. It's got a good beat.
Okay. Something rhythmic that was around when Dad and Uncle Aaron were little.
That sounds like a train to me.
Wait for my grandma.
I'm not really sure on this one, to be fair. I don't usually do the side content
Pretty
in
sure it's behind
games.
me. Maybe something mechanical?
Yeah, mechanical, so... Let's have a little walk around.
Get off your phone and move!
Oh. I'm not...
Another Christmas gone.
You're even doubling down in the friendly neighborhood thing up in Harlem. I approve.
I wish I could stay in chat, but
Look!
I'm not exactly sure what it is.
There's a subway line near here.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was. But you can't really get too far. Oh,
No.
yeah, got it.
Yeah, that's it.
You probably don't know this, but your dad and I grew up not far from here, before we moved to Brooklyn in high school. Hearing the clatter of the wheels, the squealing when the trains turn or stop, always makes me think of me and your dad's late night talks. Mostly about what we wanted to be when we grew up. I wanted to be a space alien. Dad's dream changed. Doctor, firefighter, social worker. But he always wanted to help people.
Yeah, sounds like Dad.
Okay, the next one's here.
I got it. I got a picture.
Now, see what this one is.
Pete! Hey, now that my mom knows about, you know, how much do you think I should tell her?
Like, should you tell her about every cracked rib and supervillain with a vendetta? That is tough. I never had to face that question with May.
I worry if I'm too open, she'll stress out. But if I hold back, she'll stress even more.
I don't know, your mom's pretty good with stress. I mean, she did go toe-to-toe with Roxxon.
Oh yeah.
Find out how much she wants to know, and how much you're comfortable sharing.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good advice. Every time I think I know everything about superheroing, bam, something new.
Just wait till you gotta figure out health insurance. Let me tell you, premiums get nuts after 3 freak accident detached retinas.
Something to look forward to. All right. Thanks, Pete. Take it easy.
Now, bills go insane. You feel get the money for one bill and then you get another one on top of it. It never ends.
Your mom lived here right after college. You know that? She and your dad were dating. 3 of us spent a lot of time here. We got used to this soft, steady beat.
Soft beat.
Hold up. That sounds like water. It's that water tower. I'd be surprised if this isn't.
Maybe that water tower. It's got a leak and I can get close enough.
Too close, too close. But how far do you need to get back? Sound blocked. Man. Yeah, thought it would be.
It's subtle, but a good beat.
Things were good back then. Felt like they'd be good forever. Your mom got her first gig as a teacher. Your dad was new to being a cop. And I just started calling myself the Prowler. I figured we all kept secrets about our jobs. Couldn't last, though. Your dad's job and mine crossed paths too often.
Man, Uncle Aaron, if you would have been anything else, my mom and dad would have supported you all the way.
Yeah. But everybody thinks crime pays. Well, down it does, because Nottingham Police are plus. They let these get away with anything. But to report in the police is kind of, well, there's no way to be fair.
What's his problem?
At least he was.
This one was all your dad's idea. You need something that's always in this park. Quiet on their own. Loud in a group.
Loud in a group?
That will be pigeons, obvious. Yeah, that sounds like pigeons. Okay, so we go.
Probably something you'd always find here. Like birds or trees or... No, not trees.
Yeah? Go.
How did Dad record this? Was he a pigeon whisperer?
This was way back, before high school. We were hanging in the park one day, and someone dropped a hot dog. You know how that goes. Place was swarming with pigeons. Your dad stopped cold. He said, "Aaron, man, that's music. Listen." Next day, we were crawling all over Manhattan looking for beats. Like you are now.
I remember the first time they showed me how to sample. Uncle Aaron had the gear, and Dad had the ear for music.
Yeah. Personally, I'll just stick to being a DJ. It's quite easier. Okay.
This is a good one. Me and your dad used to hang around here. Listen while the whole station came alive. That's what you need.
Something at the station.
So look. That sounds like a fire truck. Yeah?
I think hanging around here is how your dad got the idea to be a cop. I said, man, you're not uptight enough for that job. He wanted to make things better from the inside. Pretty sure he died trying.
You did make things better, Dad. And so will I.
Yeah. Okay, the next one's right here. And we'll go to here. Fast travel to here. Whoa. Okay, what's this one?
Times Square. Easy to find someone in the crowd here. Or lose them. Sound you need's like an electric current.
A current. Could cheat it with venom. Nah.
Okay. It's right there.
Oh, that's cool. Love
Yeah,
how alive that feels.
After I started calling myself a prowler, met my first client right under this sign. Neon flag's hard to miss, and the crowd makes it easy to blend in. She wanted me to steal a painting. I looked across the square and saw your dad looking back at me. He never said anything, just turned and left. He didn't know everything, just that I was a thief. That was enough. I think he saw where we were headed long before I did.
If you would have tried to act right sooner, he would have forgiven you. I know
Yeah.
he would have.
Once you're a thief, it's always a thief, apparently.
Seeing it this close.
Same time next week? Just kidding.
Pay attention!
And down we go.
Miles, hey, do you have a basin wrench?
Maybe in my dad's stuff. I can check.
Yeah, would you? May wouldn't be happy, but I'm gonna replace the lime green guest bathroom sink. 76 was a beautiful year, but it's time to move on.
You need any help? I'm happy to swing out to Queens.
Nah, this is therapeutic. I'm doing full-scale bathroom renovation.
That sounds incredibly boring.
Just wait. Once you're an old, grizzled Spider-Man like me, you'll get hyped about home repair. Anyway, thanks for covering Manhattan while I'm in DIY mode.
Hey, my pleasure. What's the point of having two Spider-Men if they don't coordinate work schedules?
I heard that. All right, I should get back to it. Find that wrench, let me know.
Can do. Later, Pete.
Okay, let's go back to this.
This sound always feels like someone celebrating, even when it's just telling time. Your dad thought so too, so we had to include it.
A sound that tells time. Okay.
Sounds like a clock.
Pretty sure it's behind me.
Of course it will be.
Make a pose.
Oh, look. The guy who destroyed millions of dollars in Rocktown's private property.
No, it
Not
should
this
be here.
way.
Oh, this one's gonna be.
He said it sounded like a celebration.
Celebration.
Let's go! Move it! Holiday Spider-Man. Looking
I'm not gonna find it over here.
Okay. So that's the way. Huh. What could it be? Got that. Got it.
That's it. Ringing on the hour.
When I hear those bells, I remember the last time I was here. Your dad had just graduated from the police academy. I didn't go to the ceremony, so I met him here after. Bought us milkshakes. Strawberry for him, peanut butter for me.
Yeah.
I don't know why I remember that. He said he couldn't cover for me anymore if I got in trouble. I told him I was done with that life. I was lying, but he believed me for a while. Or at least pretended to.
Man, things got complicated between them.
Yeah. Okay. Is the next one. I'll teleport to there.
That really him?
Spider-Man?
This plaza and the blocks around it are alive with sound. What you're looking for is light, distinct.
Light, huh? Okay.
Okay. Sounds like wind chime to me, but okay. Huh.
Sorry, man. I don't have any cash to tip you. Where do your webs come from?
Okay, so it's
Belated
Nice.
Merry Christmas, Spider-Man.
Nah, getting too far away.
Anything?
okay, so it's
Something distinctive.
yeah. Oh. Hmm.
I know it's not just me.
Okay. I'm completely lost on this one. Ah, here we are.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. Wind chimes. That sounds good.
This plaza is where I had my first job. I was fresh out of high school then. Didn't have the gear or the mask. Guy paid me to mug his boss. Rough him up, take everything in his wallet. Your dad found out. He stood under those wind chimes yelling at me for an hour. He never told our folks. He made me promise I'd stop stealing. Wish I kept my word. You deserve better.
I wish you had too.
Yeah.
Maybe you and Dad would have stayed close. And you and I would be okay too.
Yeah, you'll be in prison then.
What?
Hey y'all, I realized something today. Sounds like an after-school special, but I'm gonna soldier on. Okay, here it is. You listen to this podcast because I'm on it. You're not looking for someone more buttoned up, professional, older, with like 18 million credentials. You want to hear from and talk to me about what's happening in our city. So I won't be changing how I do things. No trying to class up the pod, no ads, no blazers. It's just me and you. And you know what? I think that's perfect. Thanks, friends.
Yeah,
And
it
until next
says.
time, don't become someone's reply guy on social media, okay? It's super annoying. Goodbye.
Have fun with this one. I had a repeat client I always met here. Got real used to waiting, listening, hearing this sound running on a tight schedule.
A sound on a schedule.
That sounds like a boat. Yeah, it's gotta be a boat. Can't be anything else. Ah! Good guess.
Fairy horns. That's right.
Client I met here used to take the ferry over from Jersey. Working for him was good money, till he got busted. He's how your dad found out about the Prowler. Not that it was me, but that a thief was making it big in New York, and your dad volunteered for the case. I could feel him closing in. I had to try and guess which would be worse. If I told him, or if he caught me.
That'd have been me. I don't know what I'd do. That can't
Yeah.
be the only reason Dad cut him off. Not if he fessed up. Just wasn't Dad.
Hey, young blood. You got almost everything you need for the track. You just unlocked the spot where you can find the last piece. Hope it works for you.
Place where I fought him? Doesn't have the best memories, Uncle Aaron.
Back to the beginning. Okay, let's see if we can actually get that one. Kind of took side missions off, but here we are. No. Back to the past. That's the one I wanted. Whoa, that I had to get a fast travel for that one. I just make sure that's the right one. So I'll go to this one.
Gotta get moving. I got a step
Thanks for being a friendly neighborhood.
Jeez.
Okay, why isn't that marked? Right, it's not marked, so we'll just have to guess where I'm going. Oh, there it is. It's weird. Yeah. There we are. I think it's just, yeah, it's right here. Now to get those. Okay, it's here, but I'm not really sure.
Abandoned subway tunnels. Guess a good
there
thief
it
needs
is.
a good hideout. Whoa! I'm kind of jealous of his lair. The lab.
Yeah,
The basement thing.
nice power tools.
Uncle Aaron's got tabs all over the city. He must have been building his network for years.
Nice server. Wow, look to have one of that.
Always making upgrades. I definitely got my suit patching skills from Uncle Aaron. Sequencer? Sampler? Vintage? Oh, has to be him and Dad's equipment.
Oh
He's
yeah.
always way better at guitar than me.
Okay.
He used to come to our place for dinner all the time. Guess he never learned to cook.
Yeah.
Maybe I should take a few swings. Nah, I'd probably break it.
Yeah. Here we are. Make sure something should keep you safe. Use the sounds of the city.
Use the sounds.
And completed.
Frequency lock? Something new every day.
Hey, kid. Hope the suit fits.
Nice.
You asked why me and your dad stopped talking. He was investigating the Prowler. It led him to my clients, people like Simon Krieger, Wilson Fisk. Dad couldn't afford to make enemies like that. Not with you and Rio in the picture. So I told him. Hoped he'd back off, and he did. For good. He didn't want me around. Didn't want you to turn out like me. Hope this suit helps you be better. Take care, Spider-Man.
Thank you, Uncle Aaron, for everything.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!